Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new here, then my name is Mehzabin Pinky and I post 3 videos per week on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays. So I just realized that it's already 10th of April and I haven't filmed my March favorites. So I just uploaded my skincare routine video. So if you guys want to see how I care about my skin, how I keep my skin this flawless, then you guys should watch my skincare routine video. And also I will be doing an updated skincare routine video soon. So I always do big changes, so every now and then I do big changes. So I will share in my upcoming videos. So do subscribe to my channel and do turn on the bell notification, and also follow me around on social media. Links are below in the description box. So most of you guys must have already seen me using these products in my other videos. So first favorite is this mask. This is by Sephora, their Camellia Seed Total Detox Purifying Clay Mask. So this looks like this. So this product is amazing. Like little bit of this product goes a long way, and like you just have to apply a thin layer of it, and when it dries, like you just have to rub it off like this, and it will take out all the dead skin from your face, and also it will clear up the acne, and also it will help reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and also it will help in the removal of acne marks too, but you have to apply more often. So this product is really good and I am currently loving it, and I have used a lot in March. I will just open and show you guys. Like little bit of this product goes a long way. As you can see here, it looks like this. It's just a mask, and also like I love it. Like I have used a few of the masks already in my couple of other videos, and you guys must have seen by now. So this is a really good mask. Like I just tried this in March, so that's why I wanted to share with you all. And like Sephora skincare range is really good, and I think it's a sale going on Sephora's website, so you guys can check it out. Like it's really good. I just added few things in my cart today in the morning, but I didn't buy. I don't know why. I just left it like that. So I will think again, then I will do check out. Like it's skincare, so I'm so much interested in skincare products nowadays. Like less of makeup. I buy lots of foundation, but less of other makeup, because I have got so many makeup. Like I'm not using that much of makeup. So nowadays we are in quarantine, so I'm just getting ready like this so that I can film some videos for you all. And like I just love to get ready and stay like this whole day. I don't know, why not? We should all get ready like this. So yeah. And also the second favorite is this Sephora's Cucumber Seed Hydration Cream. This is my favorite. Like this is absolutely stunning product, and like I love it. Like this has cucumber seed in it, and it also comes with 50 ml of product, and it's skin and seed. It's like this. I don't know whether you can see it properly or not, but it's like this. And you'll get 50 ml of product in here, but this mask you'll get 100 ml of product, which is absolutely amazing. Like I love it. I saw on Sephora's website like they have lots of other face cream like I think one was camellia seed and lemon seed. I think I want to try all of them. So yeah, I will be buying it soon. So this Sephora cucumber seed hydration cream is my favorite. Like it smells so good, and just look, like I've got just this much of product left, and like I just love the way it gives natural glow to my skin when I apply, and like it gives that instant hydration I need, and also like it makes my skin glowy. That's why I love it. I don't know why I love it that much, but like I just love it, and I hope you guys will like it too. But I think this is for all skin types, and anyone can use it because I have a combination skin type and I love it. Sometimes I have pimples uh, around this area, as you can see some are already here. So yeah, but I love it, so that's why I'm sharing, and it's not that expensive too. So the next product is again by Sephora. It's their cucumber seed hydration eye cream. So this eye cream is literally so good, and like a little bit of this product goes a long way, and it helps in the reduction of fine lines, wrinkles around this area. As you can see here, I just used a little bit of it just because like when you apply a little bit of this, it gives instant boost to the skin, and like I just love it, and like it smooths out this area a lot, and like that's why I love it. And it's not that expensive. The most important thing is it's not that expensive, and it works. The products which are not expensive and they work, they're really good. They're my type of product. So like I don't buy high-end products like just because of the price. I will go and buy high range product. I'm not that kind of person, but I'm that kind of person who will uh, find cheaper options, but I'm just interested if that product works, but I don't want to know about the price. But like some of the high end products are good, but like some of them it's just waste. Like you spend so much of money and at the end you get nothing out of it. So these Sephora range skincare products are really good, and I definitely recommend you girls trying it out. Like it's really good, and like if you have combination skin like mine, then it's for you. So yeah, moving on. So the next product is by Lacura Essential. So you guys know I have talked about it in a couple of my other videos and blogs too. So this is their daily face Q10 anti-wrinkle cream. So it protects against premature aging and also helps improve skin's elasticity. So when I saw this word skin's elasticity, and I just picked it up. Like it was in between 12 to 15 Australian dollars, and it says here contains grapeseed oil for increased moisture and also dermatologically tested. So it comes with 75 ml of product, so it's under $15 Australian, and like it's really good. It's worth buying. Like Lacura brand products are absolutely stunning, and they are literally so good. It's worth, like, just because it works. So it's really good. I sometimes use this cream and sometimes I use this one. So this is literally full just because I got another set in my bathroom already. So this is just a new one I got here in my room. So yeah, I keep like a few in case I run out. So my husband uses it too, so like that's why. So the next product is also by Lacura Essential. So this is all similar, like same brand, but this one is invigorating gel mask, if I'm saying it right. So gel mask, and this is mango flavor, and it has vitamin B3, papaya enzyme, and mango extract. So it looks like this. So this is also, I think, under $15, but I'm not sure about the price, but LD has this product, and this product is really good. Like, one thing about this product is this product doesn't dry quickly. So that's good. If you have lots of time, you can apply and leave it for few hours, and like after that you just rub it off or just wipe it off with a warm damp cloth, so it will do the job really well, and like it gives that instant boost to the skin, and also like it makes your skin look much fresher and brighter than it was before. So I really like it, and I have used this product couple of times only, so just because I've got lots of other masks, so I'm trying new products every now and then, because I am YouTuber, I am a beauty blogger, I work here on YouTube, so I get lots of products which is sent by companies to try. So this mask is really good, like it's really good, and little bit of this product goes a long way. It has papaya and mango, so both of the ingredient is bit sticky, so when it goes on the skin you have to tie your hair before applying, or else your hair will stick on that, and like it gives instant boost to the skin, and I love it. Like it also brightens up my skin, so I usually apply in the night time before going to bed. So that's how it is, and like that way it works really better, just because like after applying this I do my nighttime routine, and also I'm going to share with you guys how I do my nighttime routine before going to bed. So do subscribe to my channel, and like I will share lots of good videos here on my channel. And I don't know why I'm looking here, or I'm looking here on the camera, but like just leave it. Okay, the next product is this. Like I have showed you guys, and this product you will get in Kmart. So this is really good. It's rose hip and jojoba oil face polish. So this product is only $3 or $5. I don't know, I've shared once in my blog, but now I forgot, but it's under $5 I think. But this product is literally so good. Oh my gosh, I just love it. And like little bit of this product is left. Like this is my second what do you call this, second tube, I think second tube of this. But like I've got no idea, because I'm very bad in describing stuffs. I don't know, like, oh my god, because like I'm never ready for a video, because whenever I'm going to film a video I'm never ready for it. I just pick up the stuffs I like, I show it to you guys. So that's how it is. So yeah, this is a really good product, and like it smooths out the skin, and also it restores all the moisture back in place, I think. And also it's paraben and mint free, and you will get only for under $5 in Kmart. And like Kmart products are really good. Some of their makeups and also some of their skincare products are really good. So I don't know, this is made for Kmart or they are only selling it, but I don't know where you can find it. But you can just type in Google this name, rose hip and jojoba oil, and I think this way you will find it somewhere. But this is really good face polish. So sometimes I apply this mask, and after using this I will use this, I will scrub it off with this. Like I will polish my face with this, because it has that exfoliating stuff in it, which, and I don't want to open it, but as you can see here, this is the thick exfoliating stuff which you get in face scrub thing. So that's what it is inside, but it gives that instant boost, and also it gives that glowy look to your face. I think before applying makeup you should do all this, and then your makeup will last long. And I think you should do couple of times per week, like you should scrub your face. Like I'm scrubbing my face daily, like I like scrubbing my face, so I use this. Like nowadays I'm using this, and this one I got from Reject Shop, and it wasn't that expensive. So if you have Reject Shop around your place, or a shop which sells this product, do buy it. Like it's really good. It's tea tree daily use cleansing facial scrub. So this is really really good. So I use this one early morning when I wash my face. This comes with 250 ml of product, and I got a charcoal one, but I think my girls took it and it's in their bathroom now, so I just left it there. But like next time I go to the shop, I will buy it. Like nowadays we are just coming to the shop and buying the things we need, like especially grocery, and then coming back. Like that's not good. I don't like it. Like Reject Shop sells lots of good stuffs, and they are literally not that expensive. So this one, I don't know how much I paid this for, but if you guys are following me, I already showed you guys in my blog video. When you wake up, this is really good. It freshens up your skin, and like it gives that what you call instant hydration, I think. Like it's really good for the morning. Like it freshens up your skin, and like I really like it. So I think why I'm sharing the skincare products nowadays, just because like we are all home and we are in quarantine and we are staying home, so why not we all take care of our skin, because we have lots of time. Like you guys have lots of time, just because if you are not working from home, then you have lots of time. Like I'm working, but I do take out my time to do the skincare, because as we are getting older, our skin is losing the elasticity, and also it loses the collagen. So we have to take care of our skin. Do subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and also if you are my returning subscribers, if you are watching my videos every now and then thanks so much for watching. Do join me on TikTok. I am posting some videos on TikToks. Do join me there. Links are below in the description box, and also I leave it on the screen somewhere in the video. So do follow me on Instagram, Facebook page, and also Snapchat. All the details are below in the description box. And also take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe, and thanks so much for watching. I will catch you all later in my next video. Bye.